October 2025 Visa Bulletin. Breaking news. The October 2025 Visa Bulletin is here, the very first bulletin of fiscal year 2026, and it is already shaking the immigration world. EB-2 applicants see meaningful relief. EB-1 applicants face another year of uncertainty. Adjustment of status filers could finally gain their opening. This bulletin is more than dates, it's opportunity. This October bulletin sets the tone for the next 12 months. What happens now will shape families, careers, and futures across the United States. Why October is different. October is not just another page on the calendar. In immigration, October is a reset button. A brand new supply of green cards is released. 140,000 employment-based green cards, divided across EB-1, EB-2, and EB-3. Once they're gone, applicants wait again until next October. That's why October matters. It's when the doors crack open, even for backlogged categories. It's when adjustment of status becomes possible for thousands. For families waiting years, October often means hope. A child avoiding age out, a spouse finally able to work, a worker finally able to breathe. This month can change lives. Table A, Final Action Dates. Let's start with Table A, the Final Action Dates. These are the dates that decide when USCIS can actually approve a green card. This month, EB-2 shows the biggest forward movement. For most of the world, EB-2 jumped 3 months, from September 1, 2023 to December 1, 2023. That's meaningful progress. China EB-2 moved forward too, from December 15, 2020 to April 1, 2021. For India EB-2, a small shift, from January 1, 2013 to April 1, 2013. Every inch matters, even here. EB-1 worldwide remains current. No backlog at all. For China EB-1, a slight move, from November 2022 to December 22, 2022. For India EB-1, nothing changed. Still frozen at February 15, 2022. These are not just numbers. For an Indian professional stuck since 2012, seeing only a 3-month advance is devastating. For a Chinese applicant, even a 4-month gain feels like progress. Table B, Dates for filing. Now the bigger opportunity, Table B, the dates for filing. Table B decides when you can file for adjustment of status. Even without an available green card, filing means you can get work permits and travel documents. In October, USCIS usually allows Table B to be used. And this year, the dates deliver a huge advantage, especially for EB-2. Worldwide EB-2 leapt forward, from November 2023 to July 2024. That's an 8-month gain. China EB-2 advanced from January 2021 to June 2021. India EB-2 moved from May 2013 to September 2013. EB-1 worldwide is current. China EB-1 advanced from January 2023 to May 2023. India EB-1 remains stuck at April 2022. If USCIS confirms use of Table B, and it almost always does in October, thousands will suddenly become eligible to file I-485 packages. That means work permits. That means travel freedom. That means protection. For many, this is the first real opening in years. What this means for you. If you're EB-1 worldwide, the path is wide open. Approvals can move fast. If you're EB-1 India, the freeze is still crushing. 2 years of silence, and no relief in sight. If you're EB-2 worldwide, this is one of the strongest filing chances in recent memory. Both final action and filing dates moved forward significantly. The window is open, right now. If you're EB-2 China, progress is modest, but real. Every forward step helps reduce an overwhelming backlog. For families, even 1 extra year of movement matters. If you're EB-2 India, the reality is harsh. A 4-month gain barely touches a decades-long line. But still, filing earlier locks your place. Even a small advance is worth securing. The historical pattern. But there is a warning. Every October brings a reset, and every October brings optimism. Yet history shows what happens next. In past years, after these initial advances, retrogression often followed. By spring or summer, dates moved backward. Demand simply outpaced supply. Since 2022, EB-2 has carried overwhelming demand. Every October, dates jump forward. Every spring, they slip back again. This year could be the same. That's why applicants must be cautious. Celebrate progress, but prepare for setbacks. October's bulletin offers opportunity, but the window may close quickly. Why filing early is critical. Your priority date is your ticket in line. Filing early secures that ticket, no matter what happens next. If you delay filing your I-140 or I-485, you risk losing valuable months, even years. Retrogression doesn't erase your spot, but it can delay your turn. October is one of the best times of the year to act. With fresh green cards available, with USCIS almost certain to use Table B, the smart move is filing now. For students about to lose OPT, for workers facing H-1B expirations, for families juggling multiple visas, filing now creates stability. Work permits bring income. Advance parole restores freedom. This isn't just paperwork. This is security. This is peace of mind. Challenges and risks ahead. The risks are real. Demand could overwhelm supply, especially for India and China. Retrogression could hit again by mid-2026. USCIS backlogs could slow processing, even if you file now. A work permit that should take 3 months might take 6 or more. Confusion between Table A and Table B can cost applicants dearly. File under the wrong chart, and your case may be rejected outright. And politics remain a wild card. Policy shifts, resource shortages, or sudden directives can alter the landscape instantly. Applicants need to stay vigilant. What you should do next? The steps are clear. Watch for USCIS confirmation on which chart is in use. This usually comes right after the bulletin. Compare your priority date with both Table A and Table B. If you qualify under Table B, prepare your adjustment package immediately. Every day counts in October. If your case is complex, if you face an age-out risk, if your non-immigrant status is near expiration, if your employer hesitates, consult a qualified immigration attorney. Mistakes now could mean years of extra waiting. For employers, this bulletin is also a signal. Sponsoring foreign workers strategically in October can help companies keep their best talent. Filing at the right time is not just smart, it's survival. The bigger picture. Yes, approval rates dipped in 2025. Yes, backlogs remain brutal, but October's bulletin shows why timing matters more than anything. For EB-2 worldwide, this is the best opportunity in years. For EB-2 China, it's steady progress. For EB-2 India, it's small steps, but steps worth taking. Above all, October is a call to action. Those who move now will be positioned ahead. Those who wait may miss the window. Immigration is always uncertain. But the October Visa Bulletin reminds us that when doors open, even slightly, you must walk through them. This was the October 2025 Visa Bulletin update, the very first bulletin of fiscal year 2026. It brings both opportunity and warning. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.